Key witnesses on the stand delivering shocking revelations. It all surrounds the disappearance of Crystal Rogers.
And throughout this trial, we'll be talking with Wave News legal analyst Leland Hulbert.
Leland is joining us now. And Leland, look, in the last hour or so, we've heard that LMPD was able to find a white Buick that was owned by Brooks and Nick's grandmother after she sold it at a Louisville dealership. And I guess forensics had gone through this. They searched it. They found a hair. They said it was similar to Crystal's. So if we're talking about that specific hair in that specific car, how important could that be to this case?
Well, when you have a case that's circumstantial as this one, there's no body, there's a lot of suspicion. When you start finding actual evidence that links via DNA or is better than just a guess, all of a sudden it's a building block for the prosecution. Now the defense has the opportunity to attack the evidence by saying it's not strong enough, it wasn't tested the right way, but once you start piecing together the prosecution's case with all of these witnesses that have been called today, and you're calling into question the way the Houcks and Lawson spent time together and what people did specifically that day, I think the jury will probably take as many notes and opinions from today as any other day I've seen so far.
Leland, let's talk about credibility and some of the folks testifying. Some of the witnesses have a history with drug use, meth, cocaine. Does that make it hard to kind of believe what they're saying? Because sometimes their stories have not been consistent.
I think that's a good argument for the defense attorneys to make. I mean, apparently this one witness was on meth for multiple days, hadn't slept. Does that mean they're 100% lying? No. Does that mean their credibility is shaky? Yes. But that's really what a jury does. You have 12 people that go back in that room when the trial's over, and they look at each other and they say, look, this guy had problems, but was he or was he not telling the truth? Was he or was he not influenced by officers to say certain things? And that's when they really evaluate, you know, the weight of his testimony and the credibility, and that's probably one of the key issues to any jury trial.
All right, Leland, thank you for joining us via Zoom today. We appreciate you.